We've got some central heating pipes in an apartment complex that needs swapping out. These bad boys decided to start leaking out of the blue. We're gonna slice right through these central heating pipes and get to work. And this spot here, we're cutting through that too. Next up, we're slapping on these special Megapress fittings. Now these are the real deal. They even come with sliding sockets, which are just perfect when you've got to make a connection between two fixed points. Before you go attaching that press socket, you've got to give that pipe a good scrubbing. Make sure it's shining. Take a look at this Megapress socket. If you peer inside, you'll see these little barbs and a tiny O-ring. Once you clamp this bad boy down, it's not going anywhere. Locked in tight. And there we go. That's one down. Locked in place. Click, and we're good to go. On to the next one. And just like that, we've made it look easy, haven't we, fellas? No need to cut threads, and let me tell you, it's a game changer for our workflow. Even a kid could do this. All right, that's one floor done. Time to head downstairs. We've got a sliding socket here, and we're just going to slip it on, like so, and lock it into place. First, we're clamping down this bend. There we go. Now, let's mark the middle, right here, to make sure everything lines up just right. And there we have it. Next in line, step right up.
Claro!
Hit that subscribe button and stay in the loop with all our plumbing adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.